Hello, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Sally Giliano, 40 years of age from Surigao del Sur, college vocational graduate, and I'm a mother of one kid, and he is 11 years of age now. And I love to work again in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is as a high from salary. The Hong Kong is safe country. And the government give equal rights and have laws to protect our rights as a domestic helper. And I can describe myself as a kind, honest, trustworthy, and I am hardworking and also willing to learn the new things and listening instructions. And I have 6 experience in Hong Kong. And my first employer, they have one couple, 2 kids, one dog, grandmother. And I do the cleaning, cooking, washing the clothes. And my second employer, I take care the elderly. I do the cleaning, cooking, hand washing the clothes, and go to marketing together with the grandmother. And my third employer, they have one couple and one baby's autism. And I do the cleaning, washing the clothes, and simple cooking. And hopefully you choose me, and I will do my very best to do my duties and responsibilities as well. Thank you and God bless.